To reality. Today, we're tackling a fascinating question. Can you make a beam stronger by making it hollow? It sounds counterintuitive, but let's dive into the science and debunk this engineering myth. The basics of beam strength. First, let's understand the basics. A beam's strength, or its ability to carry loads, is primarily determined by its material properties and its shape. For beams, strength is often measured by their moment of inertia, which is a geometric property that indicates how the beam will resist bending. Traditionally, solid beams are designed with a specific cross-sectional area to support loads. The more material you have, the stronger the beam should be, right? But what happens if you start removing material and make the beam hollow? The science behind hollow beams. Here's where things get interesting. Hollow beams are often used in engineering and construction for a couple of reasons. 1. Moment of inertia. The moment of inertia, which helps determine the beam's resistance to bending, can actually be increased by making the beam hollow, provided you maintain the right shape. This is because distributing the material further from the center of the beam increases its resistance to bending. A hollow beam with a well-designed cross-section can have a higher moment of inertia compared to a solid beam of the same weight. 2. Material efficiency. By hollowing out a beam, you reduce the amount of material used while maintaining its strength. This not only reduces the weight of the beam, but also the overall cost of materials. The key is to optimize the hollow space and ensure that the beam's shape supports the load effectively. 3. Strength-to-weight ratio. Hollow beams can achieve a better strength-to-weight ratio than solid beams. For instance, I-beams and tubular beams are hollow, but are extremely effective in resisting bending and shear forces. They're designed to be strong and lightweight, making them ideal for applications where reducing weight is crucial. Real-world applications and limitations. Hollow beams are widely used in various applications, such as in bridges, high-rise buildings, and even in aerospace structures. They allow for longer spans and reduce the load on supporting structures. For example, steel and concrete hollow core slabs are common in floor systems because they offer good strength with reduced weight. However, there are limitations. Designing hollow beams requires precise engineering to ensure they can handle the intended loads and stresses. If not designed correctly, hollow beams can be prone to issues like buckling or stress concentrations. Debunking the myth. So, can you make a beam stronger by making it hollow? The answer is yes, but with qualifications. A hollow beam can indeed be stronger in terms of its strength-to-weight ratio and moment of inertia, if designed correctly. The key is in optimizing the design so that the hollow beam performs well under the given loads and stresses. Making a beam hollow doesn't just mean removing material, it's about strategically placing material where it will be most effective in resisting forces. So, while a hollow beam can be stronger in some respects, it requires careful design and engineering to ensure it meets the necessary safety and performance standards. There you have it. Hollow beams can indeed offer impressive strength and efficiency, but it's all about smart design. Thanks for joining us on this myth-busting journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for more engineering insights.
See you next time.